Some houses are simply properties, others are homes with a story. And 116 Campbell Road has been telling its story for nearly 60 years. Built by the original owner in 1966, this was a home that was clearly built to last. And when you walk through it today, you can see the pride of ownership in virtually every room. There's been something really special about a home that's been loved by one family for generations. You can see the quality of the construction, the care, and the attention to the detail throughout this house. Yes, it takes you back a little bit in time, and honestly, that's part of its charm. I mean, look underneath the carpeting and you'll find these beautiful oak floors. Even the bathrooms have been incredibly well maintained. And there's important updates here too, including the central air conditioning. So while the home has wonderful character of its era, some of the big ticket items have already been taken care of. But wait until you see the backyard. I mean, this is the surprise of the property. A beautiful, level, incredibly private backyard that gives you a feeling of just being miles away from everything, even though you're so close to it all. You're so close to the schools, the parks, the shopping, and all the major highways. It just makes everyday life incredibly convenient. After nearly 6 decades, it's time for a new chapter at 116 Campbell Road. The next owner won't be buying a house. They'll be taking over a home that's been exceptionally well cared for, filled with memories, and built with the kind of quality that stands the test of time. The central air conditioning feels amazing, and these carpets have been preserving these hardwood floors for so many years. I love that huge picture window and the cast iron baseboard heat, the best. I love this formal dining room. I mean, look at the size of this window just overlooking this backyard. Nice eating kitchen, great cabinet space, counter space. Probably my best room in the house, the lower level family room. Walls of windows, wood-burning fireplace, wall-to-wall carpeting and sliders out to the patio, and again, overlooking that beautiful backyard. Another nice feature is that door leads to a full basement that's just amazing for storage or possibly a additional living space someday. So now we're in the upper level, and up here we have 3 generously sized bedrooms, hardwood floors throughout, and a full bath. All right, so listen, if you're looking for a house with character, privacy, a great location, and a story behind it, this may be your house. Why don't you give me a call or shoot me a text at 203-209-2529 or email me at j@jcannone.com. Listen, thank you for coming on this tour of 116 Campbell Road. I hope you enjoyed it and have a great rest of your day.